A stark warning from inside Saudi Arabia's justice system, a surging wave of executions, hundreds of foreign workers put to death for non-violent drug crimes. Rights groups say a quiet, relentless execution machine is back in full force. Here's a report.
Across Saudi Arabia, numbers tell a grim story. A moratorium in 2021 on drug-related executions once held the promise of change, a sign that the kingdom might be rewriting its harsher laws. But that pause ended in 2022, and what followed was not a return to the old system, it was an escalation. According to data shared by Reprieve, since early 2024, at least 264 foreign nationals have been executed for non-violent drug crimes. Men from Egypt, Pakistan, Syria, Sudan, migrant workers who travel to Saudi Arabia hoping for work, not knowing they would enter a system where poverty can become a death sentence. Human rights groups say many of these executions are built on forced confessions. Men held for days, beaten until they sign papers they can't read. Most never see a proper lawyer. Fair trials are out of reach for people who arrive with little money and even less protection. With moratorium gone, the executions are no longer rare. They have become routine, happening quietly, quickly, and away from public view. Some families are told after the execution is done. Others receive only a certificate. No body, no explanation, no last goodbye. In prisons across the country, including the notorious facility in Tabuk, foreign inmates wait in fear of the next round of names. It is a process rights groups describe as mechanical, unfeeling, and designed to break hope. Outside the prison walls, families live their own nightmare. Mothers and sisters who follow every rumor, every whisper, every phone call that might mean their loved one is still alive. Their only support is a patchwork of WhatsApp groups, digital rooms filled with fear, prayers, and fragile updates. The people on death row are not cartel heads or international criminals. They are migrant workers, fishers, porters, and laborers, often pushed into carrying packages for a few $100s. Sometimes without knowing what they were holding. For many, their poverty made them targets long before their arrest. Today, Saudi Arabia stands as one of the world's top executioners, surpassed only by China and Iran. And with the current surge, rights groups warn the numbers could climb even higher. As the kingdom pushes a modern image to the world, new cities, new investments, a prison tells a different story, a darker story.